I'll show you when that comes up again. That shit. That shit.
I'm saying though,
You
like
ever had that shit before?
I'm trying to go crazy, like I'm trying to.
Never.
You gonna lie, that's new.
That's crazy.
What's up, YouTube? It's the boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. See there, I say if I don't know. You see me? So we're here with some of my American buddies right here. We're here with.
No sense, your boy JPTC, aka the Drip Lord.
Okay, we're here with.
No cap Kobe, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, they're both YouTubers. Everything be down below in the description. Go check them out. But I'm gonna have them react to some Trinidad music right now. Most likely, you know, I like the females already. So we're gonna have them react to this new song by Trinidad Killa, ex-Jordan song called Instruction. No, y'all ever check my videos out yet?
Yeah, I checked your videos out, but
So
I
you know I go crazy when I see the females, right?
I've seen that.
Alright, so let's see what y'all have to say about this video. It just came out like today. I've been waiting for it, bro. So let's take a these hoes. You ready?
Okay.
Hit play. Hit play. Come on, hit play.
But go. What you waiting for?
Ooh.
Wait, what is that? Wait, what's that rolling thing?
I don't
That's
know.
how y'all doing stuff in Trinidad. That's how y'all.
I'm not from
I'm
Trinidad.
from Jamaica, but that's
I'm
how.
from Jamaica.
What is that rolling thing though?
I don't know. Is it, I guess it's showing that she has a flat stomach or something? I don't know.
I thought that was, I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought it was her cheeks.
I feel like the thing that you massage.
I thought it was her cheeks at first.
I feel like a massage type of thing.
Maybe she getting a massage.
Trini pussy, best pussy. Okay, Jordan.
That needs to be the judge.
Arch your back, 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 arch your back.
Y'all good, bro?
Crazy.
Y'all good?
I mean, they going crazy.
Y'all,
You know what I'm saying?
we got quiet.
Let's
go.
Wait, hold on. Pause.
Where you
So
going?
those are all Trinidad.
Yeah, those are all Trinidad.
So they all built like that?
These are Trinidad females. How do they talk though? Like how do they talk?
I don't know what to say. They talk good. They talk normal English.
Okay.
But they
accents?
accents. I'll find it more for the females. It's different from mine though. They got a different accent though.
Similar to yours though?
Similar.
How's your body?
It was nice.
Give me a passport. Give me a passport. Take a trip.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Shake it up, shake it up, move it, shake it, move it up, arch, move it up, move it, shake it, now arch, move it up, move it, shake it, arch, move it up, move it, shake it, arch.
You must have y'all science. Y'all science and y'all.
Oh my gosh. Are we only 1 minute in? Oh my god.
No, y'all good.
Hey, for
So
nobody-
I may ask you a quick question, Ricky. So for the American females, the Trinidadian females now, what y'all gonna say about the ass? Who got for the ass?
You gotta be that.
Who got an ass?
I ain't gonna lie, you know what
I don't know, by the looks of it, I mean, they chose the best females, being it obviously. You know what I'm saying?
So you try.
So
Okay.
I would say, I mean, by the shape of their body, I mean, they straight though. They thick. Like, it's like they built to be thick.
Yeah.
True.
Like they already thick already. You know what I'm saying? It's never no skinny.
There be some.
There be some skinny, but like it's, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's see
They
what's
built
happening.
right.
Let's see what's happening. You see how they go crazy though?
She is slim. Oh whoa! What the hell?
Oh, she boy.
You ever had a girl in that position before?
Wait, what position was
Man,
that?
look, this is what I'm gonna say. If I know that he, the one who holding the bottle of Hennessy, can bag her, I know most definitely I can bag her, man. You know what
Wait,
I'm
who
saying?
had the Hennessy?
Look, him. If you look, if he can bag her, I know for sure that I can.
I ain't
Oh,
going
Hold on,
shit.
what move was she doing?
completely.
Oh my
Not
god!
even that one. Shit.
You like that right
Wait,
there?
which one was it? I'm trying to see.
I'll show you when that comes up again. That shit.
Oh my
That shit.
I'm saying though,
You ever
like
had that shit before?
I'm trying to go crazy. Like I'm trying to.
Never.
You gonna lie, that's new.
That's crazy.
Okay.
That happened to me before. That's nothing new,
Oh, girl, you're good. Hello, let me go back. Warm down. Warm down.
I Are you guys understanding that, like what they're saying though?
No.
No, I've been focusing
See?
on that.
The video, see?
I'm hearing the beat though. I'm hearing the.
Yeah, shit, the beat is cool, but
The video.
The video is
Exactly. What is it? What
Is
you
this what
saying?
you want him to? Because the video, huh? You distract. See, we try.
I don't. It's new.
This booty that distracted me from the sound.
But it's like, listen. You just basically enter the arch their box. Arch, hear the word arch. Sometime. You know,
Hold on, wait a minute. What? Now look, let's see. What do you see
worse
wrong?
than me, bro.
What do you see wrong in this picture? Like in this love? What do you see?
You mean bro leaning forward on that? What you mean?
No.
I didn't see nothing wrong with that.
You don't see nothing wrong. You don't see nothing wrong.
No, that's perfect.
Look closely.
What?
His eyebrows. Look at that. Look at his eyebrows. What is that?
Yo,
Wait, hold up.
I ain't even peep his
His eyebrows.
It's where you pause that shit, bro. Maybe shaved up. Wait, is he shaved off?
It gotta be gray and one other black.
This man getting some
Yo,
head and he's
maybe-
making eyebrows, bro.
Maybe
Right.
maybe that's his birthmark or something. I don't know.
But I was focused on the booty, bro.
Oh,
I
what?
didn't even peep the eyebrows.
I used to give her a massage. She probably laying down.
Bend over, dig out your cunt time.
Yeah.
Fuck time, fuck time, fuck time. Suck time, suck time, suck time. Trinidad pussy have more slime. Bend over, dig out your cunt time. How's she ballin'? How's she ballin'?
What? What? Let go. Let's not say that shit.
Kinda catchy.
Killa. Oh, she ballin'. Oh, she screaming. Back shot time. Back shot time.
I can't.
They put the oil on there.
Shot time. Back shot
That go crazy, man.
I wonder what kind of camera this is filmed on. See, this is all bad. The ISO is up so much. It's a lot of grain in the video.
Oh, she ballin'.
There's a lot of grain in the image. You see it.
I think that's
You ready?
normal.
Round
I
two.
think, fine.
Push.
I'm trying to show you.
That's how I
You just saw it
saw
right there just now.
Ooh, oh my gosh.
Right there too.
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, the quality, yep. See, the ISO is up so much. You know what I'm saying? You can see the grain in the picture. Yep,
Yeah.
I know about cameras.
You don't like that? You don't like that?
No, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he turned up high because it's dark, so he had to turn it up. So that's
Yeah.
why it looked good. But that looked good though. That looked good. I don't think I'm gonna have to book a flight.
Be some crazy thumbnails for my video.
Not gonna lie. Dang. Wait. What part of Trinidad is this? Is this Trinidad or?
I'm not even sure what part it is. Remember, I'm not from Trinidad.
Oh my gosh!
That is it. If you go a little faster than that, I feel like you go a little faster than that. Yes, then I go you push it, push it, push it,
no.
push it, push it, push it, push it.
I'm gonna record this video by myself again.
Man, this is like porn.
No.
It's like right there. What is
I can show you something that's so this chilling.
Oh, she ballin'.
This chilling. See, sorry, so they did that.
Yeah, this song's a go get ya bad, yeah.
This is long though.
So much fun, time to
How is this not explicit content? We finna get banned. This finna get age. We just finna get age restricted on his video.
Nah,
Trinidad pussy have more slime.
Hey.
Bend over, dig out your cunt time.
Ooh.
Fuck time, fuck time, fuck time.
Ooh.
Suck time, suck time, suck time. Trinidad pussy have more slime. Bend over, dig
Okay,
out your cunt
yeah.
time.
Hey, Dad. Go back in the room, bro.
Oh, she ballin'. Oh, she ballin'.
Dang, I'm saying though.
Shit. What y'all
They
think,
got
bro?
Bitcoin?
What y'all think, bro? What y'all think? Let people know what. Damn, we shit. We turned a 4-minute video into a 9-minute video.
Oh,
What y'all
man.
think, bro?
Ooh.
What y'all think?
How you know it's 9 minutes?
Look, you see that at the top.
Oh.
What y'all think?
Well,
Speechless.
the video itself is fire, most definitely. Whoever
Mhm.
produced this got the right females in the video.
Yeah.
For sure. The beat of the music is good. I don't really know what they were saying though. So I'm not from Trinidad. I'm from New York. I don't know what they saying.
Alright, bro.
What did he say?
That's a female, you know that, right?
I know.
Alright, guys, we'll see you on another video. Alright, peace.